up, what up? It's Lou Nose. And once again, Life with Lou Nose. Basically, I'm walking into Walmart and I'm gonna try this out for the first time. So let's see how it goes, you know. This is, I'm gonna just try to get people's reaction. Maybe one or two just for a tryout. This is the tryout period, you know what I mean? So right here, show you the beginnings. That's where the magic's gonna happen. Walmart. Yeah, you know what I mean? So, let's give it a try.
Back to the entrance department. South Shore back to the entrance department, please.